Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm spanner, and a pair of pliers. Having these tools ready will make the process smoother. Start by unplugging the Dyson HS01 from the power source to ensure safety. Once disconnected, place the unit on a stable surface, preferably a workbench, to prevent any accidents. Next, remove the outer casing. Using the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screws located at the back of the unit. There are typically 4 screws. Make sure to keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. After removing the screws, gently lift the casing off, taking care not to damage any internal components. With the casing removed, you will now see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the unit. This will not only help with the installation, but also improve the overall performance of your Dyson HS01. Now locate the motor. It is usually secured with 2 screws. Using the 10mm spanner, carefully unscrew these screws. If you encounter any resistance, ensure that you are turning them in the correct direction and apply steady pressure. Once the screws are removed, gently disconnect the motor's wiring harness. This may require the use of pliers to carefully pull the connectors apart. Be cautious not to damage the wires during this process. At this point, you can remove the old motor from the assembly. Take your new motor and align it with the mounting points. Secure it in place using the screws you previously removed. Remember to reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring that the connections are firm and secure. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess the situation before you proceed. After securing the new motor, it's time to reassemble the unit. Carefully place the outer casing back onto the Dyson HS01, ensuring that all internal components are properly aligned. Replace the screws at the back of the unit, tightening them securely with the Phillips screwdriver. Before you plug the unit back in, take a moment to double-check all connections and ensure that everything is in place. Once satisfied, reconnect the power supply. To test the new motor, turn on the Dyson HS01 and observe its operation. If you notice any unusual sounds or issues, it may be worth considering our collection and delivery at your home service, which eliminates the hassle of transporting the unit yourself. Finally, if you require any further assistance or if you'd like a quote before repair, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you ensure your Dyson HS01 is running smoothly and efficiently. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.